Hello Orange and Amber class. For maths today we're going to be counting in 2s, 5s and 10s. We're going to be using all the learning that we've been doing this week to help us with this. So first I thought we'd warm up our bodies and our maths minds with some super movers. So we're going to practice counting in 2s, 5s and 10s with a dance. Okay.
Counting is easy, tweezy, squeezy. Counting is easy. Now let's count in 2s, the tricky, tricky 2s. From 2 to 20 and back again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We just add 2. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And back again. 20, 18, 16, 14, 12. We're just taking off 2. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Counting is easy, peasy, easy. Counting is easy. Counting is easy, tweezy, squeezy. Counting is easy. Let's count in 5s in multiples of 5. From 5 to 50 and back again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We just add 5. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And back again. 50, 45, 40, 35, 30. We're just taking off 5. 25, 20, 15, 10, 5. Counting is easy, peasy, easy. Counting is easy. Counting is easy, tweezy, squeezy. Counting is easy. Let's count in 10s from 10 to 100. And back again, 100 to 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We're just adding 10. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And back again. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60. We're just taking off 10. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Counting is easy, peasy, easy. Counting is easy. Counting is easy, tweezy, squeezy. Counting is easy.
Brilliant. Counting in 2s, 5s and 10s. Okay. Now we've had a warm up. Can you remember what this coin is worth? It's worth 2p, isn't it? So let's count how much money we have in the jar. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. We have 18p. There's a new problem now. How many shoes does this shop have for sale? Okay, so let's see. They come in 2s. Let's count in 2s. Ready? Let's start this side. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So our addition number sentence would be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 12. Or our multiplication number sentence would be 6 times 2 equals 12. Or 6 lots of 2 equals 12. Oh, now there's a problem. The shoe shop sells 4 of the shoes. So how many shoes do they have left? So they've sold 2 pairs, which means 4 shoes. How many are left? See if you can work it out, counting your 2s. Okay, so we would say 2, 4, 6, 8. And our addition number sentence would be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. Or our multiplication number sentence would be 4 times 2 equals 8, or 4 lots of 2 equals 8. Okay, can you remember this coin? It's a 5p, isn't it? So let's count how much money we have now in our jar. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. We have 45p in our jar. Oh, a shop sells crayons in packs of 5. How many crayons does the shop have? Okay, let's count in 5s. Ready? We'll start down here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 35. So our addition number sentence would be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 35. Or what's the quicker way of writing it? We could write a multiplication number sentence, couldn't we? So that would be 7 times 5 equals 35, because we know that they come in packs of 5, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 packets. So 7 lots of 5 equals 35. 7 times 5 equals 35. The shop sells 15 crayons. Woo! 5, 10, 15. That means it sold 3 boxes of crayons. How many crayons are left? Ooh, let's count in our 5s. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20. So our addition number sentence would be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. So discuss with your adult now, what would the multiplication number sentence be for that one? We have 4 boxes of crayons, and in each box we have 5 crayons. See if you can figure it out. So we have 4 lots of 5, don't we? So our multiplication number sentence would be 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay, can you remember what this coin is worth? It's worth 10p, isn't it? Let's count how much money we have in the jar. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We have 90p. A shop sells apples in sacks. There are 10 apples in each sack. How many apples does the shop have? Okay, ready to count in 10s this time. So use your hands to help. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We have 60 apples all together. Our addition number sentence would be 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 60. So what would our multiplication number sentence be for that one? We have 6 bags of apples, and there's 10 apples in each bag. So that means we have 6 lots of 10. So our multiplication number sentence would be 6 times 10 equals 60. The shop sells 30 apples. How many apples do they have now? How many bags would disappear if that's 30? How many do you think? How many bags would go? Have a think now. It would be 3 bags, wouldn't it? 10, 20, 30. So it sold 3 bags of apples. So how many are left now? Let's count in our tens. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. So our addition number sentence would be 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. So what would our multiplication number sentence be? We have 3 bags and there are 10 apples in each bag. We would write 3 times 10 equals 30, wouldn't we? Great job. Okay, today is a really fun task. I think you'll like this one. So to practice our 2s, 5s and 10s, we thought you'd like to make paper chains today in your 2s, 5s and 10s. Your challenge is to see how far you can go. It'd be great to see some photos. So I've started making mine here. Mine is a really big one, isn't it? So I start on my 0, and it goes 2, 4, 6. What would be next on my paper chain? It would be 8, wouldn't it? So I need my strip of paper, and I'm going to write number 8 on my paper. And I've written my number 8. And then I know that I have to put it through that loop, and I have to stick the edges together like so, and then I have my number 8. See how far you can go. You should be experts at this because we did loads of these at Christmas, didn't we? All you need to do is you just need plain paper or coloured paper, and you need to cut lots of strips, and I think you'll be experts at that. Hope you have fun. Well done, year 1.